everyone, I'm Maddie from iCheckit Plumbing, Gas and Electrical. Today we are here to show you how to get your home ready for the upcoming winter season. Winter is fast approaching and we are yet to experience the worst, so we wanted to share with you some very important tips on how you can prepare your home and ensure you're staying safe this season. In today's video, we want to demonstrate the importance of checking your roof tiles for any damage or defects approaching winter. You'll want to start with the outside of your property, taking a good look from the top of your home to the bottom. To begin, we suggest standing out the front of your home if you have a freestanding house to take a look at your roof tiles and gutters. Doing so, you'll be able to examine if any of your roof tiles have shifted or if they do not seem to be in the correct place. Why is this important, you may be asking? Roof tiles have a tendency to shift with strong winds, so keeping an eye on this approaching winter is highly recommended. If you've had any work done on your roof recently or in your home, we also recommend checking for cracked roof tiles. If you have access to a ladder, we suggest taking a look from a height, but we highly recommend that you don't access the roof alone, as this could be dangerous or result in further issues and damage. Now that you can accurately see your roof, you'll want to check for anything that looks abnormal. This could be a cracked or a shifted tile, or anything other than a flat roof line. It will save you money in the long run if you address this issue immediately, as further damage may occur nearing winter. The solution may be as easy as removing some leaves or debris, calling out a handyman with some silicone, or maybe more serious, requiring replacement of one or more roof tiles. This is an inexpensive cost in comparison to the water damage that may be caused to your ceiling and later the inner of your electrical wiring. While you have access to your roof, we suggest checking your eaves for any gaps, making sure that your eave panels are well secured and in place. Strong winds can shift your eave panels, meaning that water and vermin can have access to your roof space. This is also a great time to remove any cobwebs or nests that may be present and fill any gaps or holes. If your property has solar panels installed, this would also be a great time to inspect those and give them a good clean, removing any cobwebs, dust and debris. Of course, when cleaning, ensure that you're following manufacturer's guidelines to ensure that you don't damage your solar panels. Cleaning your solar panels regularly will ensure that they are kept in good working order and allow them to absorb as much sunlight as they possibly can, which in turn may save you money on your electricity bill. So that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed these handy tips as much as we enjoyed filming them for you. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Don't sweat it. Search iCheckit Perth.